I wish y'all would look at the beautiful day that the Lord has given us. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a little tilling today. We've got it ground dried up somewhat. I'd like for it to be drier than it is, but it's not. So the reason we're in such a rush is that we've got a big storm coming in, and we're supposed to get a big rain, and I wanted to keep this garden tilled up through the winter to kill the roots out as much as I could. And besides that, the alfalfa pellets that we put on here for fertilizer about a month ago now need to be tilled under, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to till this up. We got the cold frame. Kind of show you what we got going on over here. I did put a light in it. I thought I seen something green in it yesterday or day before, but I didn't see. I guess I didn't. Maybe it's just wishful thinking, but nothing's coming up in there yet. But hey, that's the way it is. Over here though, kind of wanted to show you something. Look at these onions. Those onions that we planted, you remember? That my old buddy Fred dug up. Well, look at there. Here they come. And so I did put a light in here, and to keep it warm at night. And you know, it was an experiment. We'll see what it is. But we're gonna do some tilling, and then we got another little project we're gonna go do. So let's get to tilling. how it's doing. Look at that. It's starting to make its skins. Look at that. They're starting to layer. So it's doing real well. I wanted to show you that. I'll include that in the update. We got her done. You say, well, preacher, that was just showing us some tilling. We know how to till. Well, I want to document every step of the garden this year, from the tilling to the preparing, you know, the seed starting, the whole thing. I want to document every bit of it, and I want it to be on a video somewhere, where somewhere down the line somebody might be able to use it, maybe some of my family members. But that's what I'm doing, and that's why I made this video today. Just wanted to kind of show you the ground is still pretty muddy, but it can be worked. You can be working your garden. And I watched Living Traditions Homestead the other day, and they were talking about you better get your seeds right now before it's too late, because if it's anything like last year, we couldn't get it. I remember I had to get my own sweet potato slips, and so we're gonna have to learn how to do that stuff. But go ahead and get ready. It's coming. So just want to thank y'all for watching, keeping up. Hope you enjoy these videos, and I'll see you on the next one.